book about two friends. They are Cyril and Pat, and it's written and illustrated by the brilliant Emily Gravett, and we're sharing it with thanks to Two Hoot's books, Macmillan Press. Now it's a very big book, so I will try and get all the pictures in so you can see them. Let's see what happens with Cyril and Pat. Lake Park only had one squirrel, all alone and sad, poor Cyril, until the morning he met Pat, his new best friend, a big grey squirrel, just like me. Squirrel. Pat and Cyril spent each day thinking up good games to play. They liked to put on puppet shows and test how fast a skateboard goes. Their favourite games were hide and seek, and one that they called pigeon sneak. Shh. Boo! Coo, 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 coo. Oh, Cyril, can't you see that your friend Pat is not like you? Your friend's a real joker. At lunchtime, when the ducks were fed, Pat jumped in and took some bread. Oh, Cyril, can't you see that your friend Pat is not like you? Your friend's a brilliant sharer. And when they both got chased by Slim, together they outwitted him. Woof, 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 woof. The dogs chasing them all over the park. Woof, oh Cyril, can't you see that your friend Pat is not like you? Woof, woof. Your friend's a clever squirrel, and you can't catch us, shouted Cyril. Pat tried to learn to earn a treat, like Cyril could, by looking sweet. But no one threw a treat for Pat. Oh, Mum, I saw a great big rat. Rat? Oh, Cyril, can't you see that your friend Pat is nothing but a dirty rat? Oh, Cyril, can't you see that your friend Pat is nothing but a thieving rat? Woof. Oh, Cyril, can't you see it? Facts are facts. Squirrels cannot be friends with rats. Cyril, now back on his own, tried to play their games alone. But when he tried to outrun Slim, things didn't go so well for him. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Past the pond and down the slide, no time for him to try and hide. Cyril ran out of the park, into the city, into the dark. All alone and scared, poor Cyril. Ruff, 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 ruff. Uh-oh. Not quite alone, you silly squirrel. And not so brave without that rat. Do you mean me? Said Pat. Lake Park still only has one squirrel, but he's not alone. Now Cyril lives there with a large grey rat, his brave and clever best friend, Pat. I love that book. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye now.